Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurabh's classes, and today we are doing rather NEET question papers. So you know that we are doing series of NEET questions. So NEET series is going on. All the aspiring doctors I hope that you're watching our videos and hope you're joining our sessions. So please learn from all these short videos. We are not making it too lengthy so that you don't get bored, because you have studied a lot in your class 11 and 12. You know it a lot. Sometimes you can explain us also better than us. So yes, so basically we are trying to give you a revision class method. So and all those who are aspiring to sit for NEET in next term, or you're taking your preparations, so one thing I have to say that you can join our session. You can take study materials. Everything is not possible to be you can upload everything in YouTube. So you can take a study materials, you can sit for mock test, you can join a session. There are dedicated teams, teachers, specialized teachers who will help you out. Okay, now let's focus on the question. Which one of the following in birds indicates their reptilian ancestry? See CBSE IPMT 2008 question. Scales on their hind limbs, 4-chambered heart, two special chambers, crop and gizzard in their digestive tract, eggs with calcareous shell. So we know, right, the birds have evolved from the reptilian ancestry, from the dinosaur things, especially dinosaur. So we look for features in bird that resemble reptiles. Okay, so there will be some features in birds that resemble reptiles because they come from those particular reptilian ancestry, especially of dinosaur. Now, how to identify and what to identify? Basically, a feature in bird that is very similar to reptiles indicates common ancestry. Now let's evaluate the questions. Scale on the hind limbs. Yes, and this one is the correct one. Why? Why A is correct? We will discuss over here. Because reptiles have scales all over their body. Okay. Now I will say bird have got feathers. Yes. Reptiles have got scale all over their body, and birds feathers on body. So birds, basically they have got feathers. Feathers on body, but scales on legs and hind limbs. Scales on legs and hind limbs. Clear? So this is a direct morphological similarity. What we are getting? Morphological. This is morphological similarity. Now next option. Now see, we have got the answer. We can just end the video over here, but just learn from the other options and why other options are wrong. So you will have a complete concept clearance. Okay. Next is 4-chambered heart. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because birds have got 4-chambered hearts, but reptiles mostly had 3-chambered hearts. So except crocodile, all the reptiles, reptiles had 3-chambered. Except crocodile. So that much we have got. Now we are expecting, so we know that birds are from reptile ancestry, so there has to be some similarity. This is an advanced feature and it's not ancestral at all. Advanced feature, not ancestral, so we will crop it out. Next is 2 special chambered crop and gizzard in the digestive tract. Again, special digestive adaptations in birds they have got, but this is not related to reptiles. So we have to find something which they have got some connections. Okay. Next is eggs with calcareous shells. This can be a bit tricky, though it is wrong over here, but reptiles also do lay eggs and birds lay eggs, but this is a general amniote feature. Okay, so reptiles do lay eggs, the birds also do lay eggs, but what we can say is it is for option number 4, it is a very general amniote feature. Okay, feature and not as strong as unique indicator as scales. Okay, scales, see, scales are unique indicators. So, NEET prefers basically more direct structured answers, and you have got this one because it's very general. So, reptiles are scaly skin, birds evolved from them, then retain scales on their legs and hind limbs and evidence of ancestry. Nothing more to learn over here, and other reptilian features in birds that we can give it out to you over here are. It can be number 1, nucleated RBCs. Number 2, oviparity, egg laying. Number 3, similar embryonic development. Okay. And for fossil we can say archaeopteryx, like connecting link, like reptile plus bird for feature. Okay. This has got connecting link. Archaeopteryx. Clear? Yeah, everything has been given out. So yes, we have solved these questions and all the options have been clearly explained. If you have got down doubt, please call us in this number. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.